Julie Lowe and her family were eating dinner at this restaurant when the men marched by. It was her birthday, but their presence was not a gift.
My husband said, you know, that's hate. Those men are here for hate.
According to their own website, one of the leaders writes, "Now is not the time for unity. It's not the time for love. It's the time for disunity and hate." Columbus police reviewed surveillance video in the 400 block of Washington Street. These are pictures that show 12 to 15 men conducting a practice march. The Traditionalist Worker Party also posted this picture on Facebook, saying it was proud to host a meeting this weekend and described an amazing turnout. Back at the restaurant, Julie Lowe believed her birthday celebration was ruined.
I wanted to go home because they were still marching. And I had my sons with me, an 11-year-old and a 19-year-old, and it made us extremely uncomfortable. But my husband said, no, we're going to go on with our plans and walk around in our city.
Lowe did file a police report. However, the group exercised its First Amendment rights and broke no laws.
It's certainly contrary to the spirit of our community. Columbus is a very diverse place with people who come here from all over the world to live and to work. So it's definitely disappointing.
In addition, the mayor issued a statement that said it is equally important to denounce this group. The city of Columbus does not support the racist ideology upon which this group was founded. We tried to get a comment from the Traditionalist Worker Party without success. But the Southern Poverty Law Center says the group is intimately allied with neo-Nazi and other hardline racist organizations that espouse unvarnished white supremacist views. Derek Thomas, RTV6.
The Traditionalist Worker Party was founded in Cincinnati in 2015, but right now one of its leaders, Matthew Heimbach, a man Call 6 investigates has been following since last year. You may recall that Heimbach was fired from his job with the Indiana Department of Child Services following complaints about his social media post on white nationalism. Heimbach now lives in Paoli, Indiana. He and his followers were prominently featured at the violent Charlottesville demonstrations.